Hey, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So we're doing our throwback here is the July 2017 Ipsy bag. The theme is over easy. So 8 months ago, it was summer and warm, so this is all about easy beauty when it's hot outside. We got a cute little bag. I got a little story to tell about this bag. So let's get into the products and all the fun stuff. So first off, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm sober, so I lead an exciting, fascinating life of thrills and adventure, and that's why I'm doing this on St. Patrick's Day. Anyway, this is the July 2017 Ipsy bag. It is so adorable. It's like a little kind of like vinyl-y bag with a little egg. He's got a little butt even. Okay, so this is Gudetama. I think I said his name right. So, and the theme is over easy. Which is weird because almost every time I do one of these, like the theme gets a song stuck in my head, and now I have Lionel Richie's Easy stuck in my head. But anyway, the little card, it says, "Hey there, sleepyhead, don't move a muscle. Lazy Sunday vibes are here. We're talking laid back, easy everything. Tousled top knots, insanely soft tees, flushed lips and cheeks, and not wearing pants." So our motto, "Homebody is the new beach body." Our mascot, none other than Gudetama, aka the sleepy, super chill cartoon egg. Yes, he's a cartoon egg who's spreading the lazy bay vibes. So, yes, he's sleeping. He's kind of scary on the front, but like he's got a cute little butt. So anyway, the products in here. We have the Seraphine Botanicals Ginger and Gold Illuminating Peach Gold Blush. It's got like chamomile and other fun stuff in it. It's a peachy. Oh, there you go. Can't really see because I already have makeup on. It's vegan. It's gluten-free. It's all kinds of fun stuff. Then we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. It's supposed to make you feel like a mermaid, and it's also like cruelty free, and I think it's vegan. Yeah, it's vegan. So I'm not vegan, but I've got face products that are. Then we've got, oh, what do we have? We have the Trestique concealer. I think this is porcelain because I'm pasty and white. So there you go. Little concealer. There you go. I'm excited for this because this is like a little travel concealer. Like, that's fun. You can just dab it on even. Then we have, which I'm excited about this, 111 Skin. It's Space Defense Bright Eye Gel. It's a serum that's supposed to get rid of your puffy eyes. I've been having the worst like my eyes look puffy right now, and my makeup's uneven because I've been like putting eye drops in this eye. The wind is no joke in Chicago. Like, it's straight no joke. Like, I got something in my eye the other day, and it's just been non-stop watering and sore and itchy ever since. Wind is no joke. Then finally, we have the So Susan blender brush. It is cruelty free. It's a nylon brush. You can use it for highlighters. You can use it for your eyes. You can use it wherever. I like that it's kind of angled, so I'll probably be using it for eyeshadows, for blending along the brow. So those are all the products. This is cute little Gudetama. He's going in my purse now. I love him. Follow me there, and I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty.